Hello everyone. Now we will jump on to our third type of customer exit. Our third type of customer exit is screen exit. In the previous videos, we studied function module exit, menu exit. Now we will go for full explanation and practical of screen exit. Now, what is screen exit? Word itself is suggesting you will add fields to the screen of SAP programs. Suppose we have a SAP standard screen. There you can add the fields with the help of screen exit. Screen exit allows us to add fields to the screen of SAP programs. Now the question comes, how you will add the fields to the standard screen? Now the answer is with the help of customer subscreen. If you remember, in the function module exit, we are able to add our code to the SAP program through function module. In case of screen exit, how you will add fields to the SAP screen with the help of customer subscreen. Now, if you know the topic, how to call a subscreen into a normal screen, it is very easy to understand the topic screen exit. In case of module pool, we studied one topic, how to call a subscreen into the normal screen. Firstly, we will revise that topic so that you can easily relate it to screen exit. So we have the topic how to call a subscreen into the normal screen. Suppose I'm saying I have a normal screen 100. I have a subscreen 101. How we can call 101 into 100? This was the topic which we studied. 100 is our normal screen and 101 is our subscreen. Our topic is how to call 101 into 100. So what we did at that point of time, in the 100 screen, means in the normal screen, we created the subscreen area. In the next step, we call this subscreen into subscreen area of normal screen. This is what we did. In the normal screen, we created the subscreen area, and in the next step, we call the subscreen into subscreen area of normal screen. And how we call? We learned this syntax at that point of time. Call subscreen. What is sub? It is your subscreen area name. Including is the keyword. Scirep id means it's a system variable for program name, and this is the subscreen number. It means this 101 subscreen will call into the subscreen area, that is sub. This is the topic which we studied during module pool. And why we are revising? Because if you know this topic, it is very easy to understand how SAP will help us to add fields to the SAP screen. Same concept work here. What is the definition of screen exit? With the help of customer subscreen, you can add fields to the SAP screen. Now we will relate it to this topic simply. Now, rather than using the word subscreen, now I will use the word customer subscreen. Suppose I'm saying I have the 100 screen. This is SAP screen and it is normal screen. I have 101. Just I'm using the word customer subscreen. Process will remain the same, totally same. Now, In this 100 screen, we want to add our fields. We want to add the fields. So here you will not add the fields. You will design the layout on 101. You will design the layout on the subscreen. You will design the fields on the subscreen. So whenever you design the layout or fields on the subscreen, it means in the 100 screen, we have the subscreen area. Suppose in the 100 screen, we have the subscreen area is sub. Then SAP provided a logic to call this subscreen into subscreen area of normal screen. It means whatever the fields you will design, whatever the fields you will add on the 101 screen, it will become the part of 100 screen. So this is the full understanding. We are not adding the fields to the standard screen. We will add the fields to the customer subscreen. Then that customer subscreen will call in the standard screen. So this is what SAP did. So I'll just read the theory so that the topic will make sense to you. SAP provides subscreen area into the standard screen. Means in the screen 100, if we take the example, in the 100 screen, SAP provided the subscreen area, subscreen area. Now, customer subscreen is called into that subscreen area. And if you see, rather than the syntax, this syntax, you will find this kind of syntax. This syntax is exactly same which we studied previously, but the only one word difference is we have a extra word customer. Just compare it to this syntax. Call subscreen, we have the word call customer hyphen subscreen. We have the word customer is extra there. We have subscreen area name, we have subscreen area. We have including, we have including. We have the program name, we have the program name. We have the subscreen number, we have the subscreen number. Same to same thing is there. Just we are using one extra word, customer subscreen rather than the subscreen. If I will go for the example, if you will compare this, so we have call customer hyphen subscreen. This cust screen 2 is the subscreen area, including this is your program name and this is the subscreen number. Suppose our subscreen number is 2000. So we will just revise or summarize this topic. So what we studied in this particular video, with the help of screen exit, you can add fields to the screen of SAP program, or you can understand in a way, you can add fields to the standard screen. Now, how you will add the fields to the standard screen? With the help of customer subscreen. We are never adding the fields directly to the standard screen. We will design the fields or we will add the fields onto the customer subscreen. Then that customer subscreen will call in the SAP program, or I'll say SAP standard screen. This is the how we can go for screen exit. Now in the next video, we will take an example of screen exit. We will learn how to find a screen exit. Then we will learn how to implement a screen exit. So that's it in this video. Thank you.